we have what we call the future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. And the present participle form of a verb is used to form the continuous tenses. Continuous. Look at the spelling of continuous. Some people get it wrong. It is C-O-N-T-I-N-U-O-U-S. So the continuous tenses. How many continuous tenses do we have? We have three principal continuous tenses. We have the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. We have the past continuous tense. And we have the future continuous tense. We have the future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. So let us have examples of verbs and the different sentences using these forms of a verb. Let us have another verb apart from what we have here. Let me be the word dig. Or, go. The word go. Go is in the infinitive form. So you can say, in a sentence, you can say, I go to the shop daily. I go to the shop daily. This word go here is a verb in the infinitive form and it is in the present simple form. We can change this sentence you can change this sentence and changing the verb in the sentence into the past form. So you can say, when you say, I go to the shop daily, in the past it will be, I went to the shop. I went to the shop. Now the word daily, we will not use the word daily because daily is used in the present form. So I went to the shop. The word went is the past form of go. Past participle. Because we have these perfect tenses, the three perfect tenses. Maybe let me take one. Present perfect. Now, when you are using, I want you, dear peoples, when you're using the past participle and the present participle, I want you to understand something. You will not use the verbs the way they are. There is something you're going to add. You're going to add something called a helping verb. We have something called a helping verb to help you in forming the different tenses. So there's something called a helping verb. You're going to use a helping verb. Now in the present perfect tense, the helping verb that is used in the present perfect tense, we have two of them. We have and has, plus now the verb that is there. In the past perfect, we have the helping verb had, now plus the verb that is there. In the future perfect, we have two helping verbs. We have shall have, and will have, plus the verb that is there. So for example, you can say, he has eaten. He has eaten his food. They have slept. In the past perfect, you'll say he had eaten. He had plus now the eaten. He had eaten. In the future, you'll say he will have eaten. He will have eaten in the future perfect tense. It will be wrong to say he eaten. It's wrong. It's wrong to say he, like in the past, in the past, he slept to mean the past perfect. It's wrong. So there is something called the helping verb that is used. In the continuous tenses, we have the present continuous, we have the past continuous, and the future continuous. Present continuous tense has three helping verbs. We have we have is, we have are. Past continuous, we have two helping verbs that are used. We have was and were. Future continuous, we have will be and shall be. Plus now the continuous form. Okay? So for example, I am going home. The word go, the continuous form, the present participle form of go. So I am going home, this one shows the present continuous. And why do we say am? We use am because we use am with I. In another lesson you're going to see the usage of the pronouns, the persons, and the verbs that are supposed to be used with these persons. Past continuous form of am going home. I was going home. If you were to use were, then we have to change the person. They were going home. Future continuous. He, is it will be or shall be? Is it will be or shall be? Pupils, do you know when to use will and shall? So I'll just go over it very quickly. We say I, and we use shall. You, will. She, he, and it will. They will. So the only person that uses the shall is the first person, I and we. And of course in class, during the class lessons, we looked at the different persons. And I don't think I'll go over that now, because we've looked at that in the class. So this is just an introductory lesson to look at the forms of a verb and their importance. We've gone over, this is so much to digest, but basically I'm going to give you also some notes so that as we go along, we're also going to work together to see that English is going to be one of the best subjects and something that you're going to love. Now, when I was introducing the lesson, I gave you a puzzle. I told you, what is the beginning of end and the end of time and space? So I asked you, what is that? What is the beginning of end and the end of time and space? What is the beginning of end? I just wanted to see whether you can think deeply. So the beginning of end is the word end, because English is about words. So the word end starts with E. And the end of time and space, end of time and space. So the answer should be the beginning of end and the end of time and space is letter E. Letter E. I believe you watch that again and you see the logic in that. Thank you so much for watching me. God bless you.